New beginnings are exciting, whether you're looking for your first job out of high school or you're looking to change careers. While change is exciting, it's also nerve-wracking. The good news is that it doesn't always have to be that way. Have you ever considered working in the collision industry? It's exciting, stable, and it pays well. Here are 5 reasons why you should join the collision repair industry. Number 1, constantly evolving and always new. Cars are always becoming more and more complex as technology continues to advance. When a vehicle is in an accident, it needs to be diagnosed with a scan tool. These tools talk to the computers in the vehicles and are able to not only see internal issues, but also control parts of the car and ultimately solve those problems. Scan tools are powerful computers that perform endless functions in the hands of a skilled technician. Technology aside, the way vehicles are repaired is always evolving. Vehicle manufacturers create repair procedures as guides for technicians to properly repair a vehicle. Not to mention that the types of metal and plastic those manufacturers use to build vehicles is changing too. This affects how different vehicles are repaired more than you can imagine. Constant evolution means that there's always something new to learn and guarantees that every day will be different. But vehicles and their changing technology are only as good as the people who create them, but none of them will be any good if there's no one to fix them. Number 2, high demand and room for career growth. The collision industry easily has one of the highest demands for workers, but that demand can only benefit you. More job options, competitive wages, and lots of career growth opportunities. As a collision technician, you have the opportunity to progress in your career and specialize in different areas such as advanced materials, scanning and recalibration, structural repairs, mechanical repairs, and refinishing. Not to mention the ability to learn the industry and grow into leadership roles. Number 3, balanced lifestyle, good pay, and benefits. High demand for technicians means a stable job and with great pay. It's with that cash flow that you can afford to do things you've always wanted. Working in the collision industry will allow you to do more than just make ends meet. In addition to great pay, collision shops usually operate a standard 8 to 5 and are closed on holidays and weekends, allowing you time to relax and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Number 4, stability of the industry. The collision industry is often called recession-proof, meaning that despite hardships in other areas of the economy, the collision industry remains stable. When times are tough and budgets are tight, people will opt to repair their cars instead of getting a new one. And even if you're the best driver in the world, accidents still happen, and it keeps the collision industry constantly busy. Number 5, being part of a team and being part of something bigger. In a collision shop, there are various departments and roles that work closely together to get a vehicle back to pre-accident condition. Techs work with estimators, the parts department, front office staff, painters, and more to get the job done correctly and efficiently. Each one of these departments touch a vehicle on its journey through the shop. Working in the collision world means being a part of something bigger. Because not only are you helping their team repair the vehicle, you're helping ensure customers leave with a safe vehicle that continues to protect them down the road. If you want to learn more about a career in the collision industry, click here. For more information and resources to help you on your career journey, check out collisioneducationfoundation.org.